Chapter 8. Let's learn Scratch 3. Scratch 3. Scratch is a free programming application that helps in creating interactive stories, animations, games, etc. It is one of the easiest computer languages for kids. It provides a graphical user environment that makes it learning easy. All we have to do is to place the blocks of code according to the given instructions. It is freely available on the internet. Scratch 3.0 has an offline editor called Scratch 3. Scratch can be downloaded from https://scratch.mit.edu/download and install it. Scratch is developed by MIT Media Lab Lifelong Kindergarten Group. Starting Scratch 3. To start Scratch 3, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Look for the Scratch 3 and click on it. Or type Scratch in the search box next to the Start button. Or double-click on the Scratch icon on the desktop. Components of Scratch window. The Scratch window has the following components. Title bar. It is at the top of the Scratch window. It contains the name and version of the application written on the left side. The right side of the title bar has the 3 control buttons: minimize, maximize, restore, down, and close. Menu. It contains the options like File, Edit, Tutorials, and name of the Scratch project. Tabs. Scratch has mainly 3 tabs: Code, Costumes, and Sounds. These are described below. Code tab. It contains block categories and list of blocks in a category. All block categories are of different colors. In Scratch, each block performs a task in a project. Some block categories are motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. Costumes tab. It contains the information of the sprite we have chosen on the stage area. We can add and make changes in the appearance of the sprites. Here, we can also paint a new sprite in the Paint editor. Sounds tab. It is used to add inbuilt sounds or record our own sound in the project. Go button. It is the green flag, and when clicked, it runs the script. Stop button. It is the red button, and when clicked, it stops the script. Stage mode buttons. They give options to increase or decrease the display size of the stage or switch to presentation mode. Blocks palette. It contains the categories of blocks based on their functions and use. These blocks represent various instructions that can be given to the sprite. These blocks within the same category share the same color. Script area. It is also called the coding area. Blocks from the blocks palette are dragged into the script area. Stage. It is the working area where the sprites perform, move, and interact with each other. In Scratch, the background is called backdrop. Sprite. The projects in Scratch are made up of object known as sprite. Sprites perform actions according to the given instructions. Sprite info pane. It is just below the stage. It shows all the details of sprites and backdrops used in project. We can add, delete, see the name and location, increase and decrease the size of a sprite. Similarly, we can add or change the backdrop. Add extension. It is located at the lower left corner of the Scratch window. It contains music, pen, text to speech, translate, etc. blocks of code. Creating a new project. To create a new project in Scratch, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu on the toolbar. Step 2. Click on the New option. A new project will appear. Working with sprite. When we open Scratch, the default sprite 1 is the cat. The location of the sprite cat is at the center of the stage. The new sprite buttons are used to add new sprite. There are 4 new sprite buttons. Choose a sprite, paint, surprise, upload sprite. Choose a sprite. Scratch has many inbuilt sprites. Clicking on Choose a Sprite button will open a sprite library which shows multiple sprites. There are different types of sprites. Click on the Abby sprite. The selected sprite will appear on the stage and will get added to the sprite info pane. Paint. Clicking on this button opens the Paint Editor window where we can create or draw a new sprite. There are many paint tools present in the window. Surprise! Scratch will randomly pick any sprite from the sprite library and will add it on the stage. Upload sprite. Scratch allows us to add our own sprite from the computer or the internet. Changing appearance of the sprite. We can also change the appearance of the sprites. To do so, follow these given steps. Step 1. Click on the Costumes tab. An image of the selected sprite appears in the tab. Step 2. Click on the image of the sprite. Drag the blue border to select the cat. Step 3. Click on Fill and Outline options to change the colors of the cat. Changing the backdrop. To change the backdrop, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Choose a Backdrop tool in the Sprites info pane. Choose a Backdrop window opens. It shows the thumbnails of the available backdrops. Step 2. Click on a backdrop to add it to